of education, we thank you for the gift of Mubs.
Ebi Bashabirwe Professor Moses Muhwezi obwabira ari umugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kujaguza okukora kw'itendekereri ogubireho nyamwabazyo aha Las Vegas omurembo Mbarara.
You must do it with passion. You must do it with passion. The Americans built America to stay in happy. You pray with America, they finish you. They have differences, but when it comes to defending their country, they are number one. As a Mubs community, we must defend this institution. And as trustees that you put in place, we are ready to do that. I invite you to join us.
Professor Moses Muhwezi omukugamba kwe ashabira Abashomeire Makerere University Business School kugira obumwe kandi bakakora hamwe okureta hentunguka.
When that unity dimension faded away from society, this is why we have challenges everywhere. This is why we have challenges. Some time back, people used it free alliance and antelopes. People were together. Now the lions have been tamed. You can touch a lion, it sits, the dog sits. The lions are friends to mankind. Instead, the enemy is your brother. The one who can kill is your brother.
Atire Dominic we washomeira hitendekereri ashoborire ngu omukoro ogu gubire kugenderire kwinegeza ubumwe.
Kigendera cy'umukoro no kwishuka achievements kwiha maseti kwiha itendekereri ya Mubs itaje ryambara ritandaka yo kubibira na mukaga iserizo ikiretire stekaho actually biro mu rwego rwa gashatu to celebratinga kuzaguza Mubs ebasije gukora witwa area Western region yona na Western region.
Patrick Onen Ezaga nawo washomira mu itendekereri ashabire Abashomeire hitendekereri okureka ngo bagizaho kuronda batahi babo.
As I move around, I've noticed something. By and large, most of you here, I can say, have made an effort to be somewhere in life. But I have learned, and I've coined the terminology, it may not have existed before. There is what I'm preferring to call the forgotten alumni. So we have colleagues who were in university, and because God blesses differently, some of you have progressed, others have remained, they are not making very good progress, others have not even started the journey at all. And because of that, while they are with us, they are actually lost. They are not flowing, they are sad. It is high time we do not take such things for granted. Let's hold each other's hand.
Ogubire guri murundo gwa kashatu barukujaguza ahabo kurakurana kw'itendekereri area Makerere University Business School itaje ryambara gasha kwa Susan ali no mukisa ahabwa Tayari West.
To one, and here we are today. And we are still mounting. Thank you very much and congratulations.